sixth grade notes. I can explain why we take notes the way we do.
All right, so can you guys explain why we take notes the way we do?
Yes.
All right, so let's review what you can explain. First of all, we take notes using STAR notes, right?
Yes.
Okay, and STAR notes is an acronym for taking notes in a specific way. What does the S stand for?
Set up notes.
What does the T stand for?
Take notes.
What's the A stand for?
Add notes.
What's the R stand for?
Review notes.
Excellent. Okay, so we'll come back to STAR notes in a little bit. Our cheat wall and our cheat poll. We do a lot of cheating in here, but we do legal cheating, right?
Yes.
Our cheat wall is in the front of the room, and that is all of the super duper important information that you need to pass sixth grade math, right?
Yes.
The cheat poll would be the polls on the side of the room, and we organize those by chapters. So we put all the really super important information for the chapter test that if you're taking the test and you want to look at the poll, it'll give you some information to help you take that test, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the cheat wall and the cheat poll. Should you be using them during tests?
Yes.
Of course you should. They're resources for you. Okay, number two then, we have some data. I told you a story and then we did some more data. The first amount of data is that if you take notes and you close them and never look at them again, what percentage of them are you going to remember, everybody?
50.
You're going to remember 50%. Okay, then I told you the story about this guy at Cornell who did research because his kids were failing his class all the time. And he did research trying to figure out what to make kids, or how to make kids pass his class. I remember he had a group of kids who every day took notes and left. And then the other group of kids stayed and reviewed their notes every single day for the whole semester. The kids who took their notes and just left passed his class at what percentage?
9.
No, the kids who took the notes and just left.
50.
50%. The kids who took the notes and then he forced to keep rereading them every day over and over again, what percentage of them passed? 90%. Okay? So research has been done over and over and over and over and over again, and people continually find the same thing. If you review your notes, you're going to remember 90% of them, right?
Yeah.
Max, go screen down. All right, and then number 7, then we said here in Oak Point in 6th grade, for the last 4 years, we've been doing that. We've been making videos. I've been making you watch the videos. You've been reviewing your notes and looking at your notes. And then, according to the state of Minnesota, what percentage of our kids are on track in 6th grade at Oak Point?
90%.
Oh my God, my own research is starting to come true now. Okay, last year, what percentage of the kids were on track?
94.7.
94 and 7/10, right? 94 and 7/10.
Yeah.
Remember, you can't say point. And then, in addition to that, last year we had 93 and 4/10% of our kids make high growth. Almost every single one of them made high growth. We're super awesome. And I think it has a lot to do with our note taking. And then I asked my kids at the end of last year, why are you having so much success? Why are you guys doing so well? And they said the way we set up our notes using 3 columns makes it easy to read and organize, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then when we take our notes using our study buddy, even if we're better at math than our study buddy, it helps. And even if our study buddy's better at math than us, it helps. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. And then the adding to notes column. What is the adding to notes column called? What's that third column called?
Cheat
Cheat sheet. So when we add our notes to the cheat sheet column, it makes us think about what we just learned. That's what my kids told me last year. Eyes are up here, right?
Yeah.
And then the last thing, we're reviewing these notes right now, and then you guys are going to watch a video on it. So what the kids said, Mr. Pottinger, it wasn't our favorite thing to do, but hearing the notes for a 3rd time when I watched the video. So I took the notes, we reviewed the notes by making the video, and then I watched the video. That's 3 times. Hearing the notes for a 3rd time and then answering questions that you put in the notes really helps us remember them. I'm like, for real? And they're like, yeah. Does that help you understand why we're doing what we're doing?
Yes.